Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and for today's video I'm going to give you an updated room tour. I did switch rooms for my little beauty room slash office slash filming studio, because this is where I film most of my videos, actually the majority of my videos. And my hair looks kind of crazy because I just washed it earlier today and it's drying super weird, like right here, it's like, I don't know. So I'm just letting it dry before I like style it. But anywho, I'm just gonna give you an updated beauty room slash office slash little studio update, review, tour is the word I'm looking for. Alright, so one thing I'm gonna let you guys in on is I haven't painted the room yet. I'm just waiting pretty much for summer to paint the room, because that's when I like to paint the house, anything that needs to be painted, like room wise, house wise, because then I can open the window to kind of let that paint smell out. But since we're in the middle of winter right now, I don't want to do that. I don't want the room smelling like paint. I don't want the house smelling like paint, so I'm literally just holding off. The color that it has right now, it's not ugly. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys my room tour. Alright, so here is the room. It pretty much looks a lot like the other one, you know, with the dogs and stuff, but what I like about this room is that it's a lot bigger than the other one. The other room was one of the smallest rooms in the house, and this one was more of a storage room, and we decided just to switch them, and it was also a good thing we did, because then we looked through all the boxes that we had from when we moved in and threw a lot of stuff away, and we also have a donation pile that needs to be donated. So it was kind of like a winter cleaning, spring cleaning, decluttering, whatever you want to call it, but this is what the room is. All right, so coming into the room, I'm gonna start on this side. I hung up my bulletin again with my little pictures. If you remember, at the other room I had it over here next to the door. In this room, this area is a lot thinner, narrow, so it doesn't fit, so I put it over there. And then I put the little table with the pothos on top of it, just so it can kind of fill up the space. Yet for now, I'm not 100% sure if I want to keep that plant there or if I want to eventually add something else, but for now that's where it is. It's my pothos, my thrifted table. I don't know if you guys remember, I thrifted this for $15, and same with the basket. Pothos, I bought it from Lowe's. It is kind of turning yellow right now, so I'm hoping it doesn't die. I hope it survives the winter. And moving on over here, I have my desk with my little IKEA drawers. I want to get another set of IKEA drawers and get the light wood tabletop, or the wood colored tabletop, and I want to get rid of my desk. I haven't had the chance to go to IKEA yet, which is why I still have this. And then obviously get a different mirror, because this one is just too small. It just looks funny. It's just too small, but I have it there for now. I did thrift that mirror for like $5 or $4, I can't remember. So that's what it is. I do want to like retouch it a little bit more, since I have spilled some nail polish on it. It is a little dirty. But you know, I have my little thrifted basket with my little plant fertilizer for my air plant, a book that I'm reading, some of my little Christmas tags that I made on my Cricut, and some paper that I need to take downstairs with my Cricut, my little makeup drawers. And then on top of my desk, I have this lipstick holder, and I've had this lipstick holder for a while. I even had it in the donation pile, but then I'm like, you know what, let me keep it. And since I did get these little wine lip tints off of Amazon, I thought they'd be cute. They're cute little bottles, so I was like, I could have these on display right here, looking all cute. And then I have a little super glue, because I like to do press-on nails. And over here I have my little corner with my, what is this called, my diffuser from Sage. And right now I am diffusing the liquid sunshine, and it just smells so good because it is gloomy outside, and I don't know, I feel like I need something citrusy and bright, if that makes sense, just to kind of elevate your mood. And then my little crystals that I just kind of have right here. I don't know, I just like how the crystals look. I just love how they look. I forget the names of them. I know this is like quartz, obviously, because it's the pink one. Have amethyst, and then I forget which one's which. I think this is like serpentine. I just like how they look. Like, they're so like cool, and I don't know. Like this one, I think this is like the blue lace agate, I don't know how you say it. But yeah, it just looks so like pretty and intricate. I don't know. And then I do have like little spears, and I forgot the names of these, but and then my little sage that I burn, and my palo santo. Sometimes I like burn both of them. And then a candle that has more little crystals. I need to take them out, but this kind of smells really good. But like I said, I like how they look, and I forget the names of them and I forget their properties, but I don't know. I still want more just to like decorate around here. My mirror. I almost didn't know what to do with this. I just put it back in the same corner. I like how it looks with the plants. Just kind of looks like a little zen corner. I don't know, it just looks cute. My neon pothos on my macrame hangers. And I just have my little corner of snake plants right here. In the other room, I think I had these two in the corner, and then the rest were in the guest room. And then I brought them back over here. And then my Christmas lights. The Christmas lights, I never really took them down from the last Christmas in the other room. I just kind of kept them on because I like the vibe, the ambiance it gives. It just kind of makes everything look cozy. So I just kept them there. And then more plants over here because, you know, I love plants. Just makes the room look cozy. My little hexagon shelves, and I just have like little basic stuff on there, little cute little decor. In the other room, I had black shelves, like floating shelves, and I left those in there. Eventually we want to do something with that room, but for now it's just kind of like a little storage room. And I mean, my little Polaroid camera, which I love to print my pictures off of, my gold rose and stuff, and more roses, and then this little painting print. I like that. I need a frame. And then my little, like, looking for my air plant. Oh, here it is. I mean, I had the table by the window a few days ago, so I put the air plant next to it so I can get some light, some sunlight. So this is where I usually keep my air plant. Just kind of like that. And then my little water, so I don't forget to water it. And over here I have, you know, my decor, and then I have this amethyst, and I just love how it looks. It's like so sparkly. Like, do you see how the light is just hitting it? It's so pretty. And it just makes really good decor too. The store that I went to, they had some really big ones. Eventually I want to get a bigger one just because I love the way they look. And then my old little Chanel perfume bottle. And then since I do have dogs, I do have a little dog corner for them, and they love to lay on that one. This dog, stuffed animal dog, whatever you want to call it. It's so cozy, so comfy. Like, sometimes I'll use the head as a pillow. But they love to lay on there. I don't know if you can tell, like right there, they love to be in the middle, and then, you know, their bed. And then I had that pillow. I used to have it in my room, but now it doesn't, like, the pink doesn't go with it, so I just kind of threw it right there. You know, little cozy dog corner. And then I do have this rug, this gray rug, and I had it in the other room, but I do want to replace it for a much bigger rug. I haven't decided what size yet or what kind of style of rug I want, so for now I do have that one just right there. The dogs love to lay on it. Like, they just love anything that's like fluffy and soft. And then obviously my basket wall. I loved my basket wall. I just kind of shaped it a little bit more. I think in the other room I had another basket up there, and it just kind of threw off the whole shape. So I just kind of kept it the same, alternated the baskets that were the same color, and then I have two that are the same, so I just kind of alternated them, and I made that one the centerpiece to go base it off of, or to, you know, start it. And then my little clothing rack where I have more plants, more rubber trees, and then a pair of jeans that I need to try on, which I haven't tried on, and I bought them like literally 3 weeks ago or so. Or was it 3 weeks ago? About like 3 weeks ago. And then I have extra macrame hangers, and I found these hooks and my boxes from my old classroom. I had them in my little closet there. I never used them, but I like how they're like an S shape, so I can just hang them here. And I do want to hang plants right here. I just haven't decided which plants I do want to hang, or if I want to like just hang these in different rooms of the house. But for now, I just have them hanging there, so I don't forget I have them, because if I put them away, I forget. And then over here in my closet, the closet also looks different than the other one. In the other room, it had 2 long shelves, and this one it just has like 1 long shelf at the top and then like half a shelf. And then obviously the camera stuff. Up here I have a bag of stuffing that I use to stuff my pillowcases, like the decor pillows, and then an extra set of lights. And then just boxes with decor stuff and a laminator. And then obviously I kept the little doggy clothes for when they were puppies. It doesn't fit them now because they're all chunky. And what I love about this closet is that this shelf, since it doesn't go all the way to the other side, I have enough room to store my ring light in there. And then the other room, I just had it in one corner because I didn't have the room to put it in the closet, which now I do, and I love it because it just makes the room feel less cluttered. And then I have like journals, writing stuff, coloring stuff, my nail polish things, and then just like a little book situation going on. And I do, you know, obviously use my closet as storage, and then my little more cable, camera, computer stuff over here, and then my tripods, which I just kind of have stuff in the corner, which is nice. But yeah, that was my room tour. It looks a lot the same as the other one, but it just feels a lot more spacious in here since the room is bigger. I love the closet. It just fits more things, like the ring light. It just makes I don't have to have it out, and it just makes the room, it gives the room a different vibe. I really like how it feels in here. Like I said, I still need to paint it, but I'm waiting until the summer. And then I do want to switch out my desk, but that requires me to go to IKEA, and right now I don't want to like deal with snowy roads. So I'll probably just go either during spring or once, you know, the roads are a lot better, like going towards Seattle, because I just don't want to deal with that right now. And also my anxiety would be like out the roof. But I could wait and get the other IKEA drawer and the tabletop just to make it look cute. And then also get a rug to kind of like complete the room and make it different. I haven't decided on what kind of rug I want, just because there's so many styles. And also I want to switch my rug downstairs, so I'm like, do I bring that rug up here? Do I get new rugs for both rooms? You know, like, I don't know. So I'm just kind of like taking it slow. But yeah, the dogs love to chill right here. Like, look at that. They just love to lay on that rug, and it's just, I don't know. I like how they have their own little corner. They love it. Or you know what? I could like show you how the other room looks now. Like I said, this room used to be a storage room, but then we switched it. We literally switched the rooms. But all right, so this is what the room looks like. It is a storage room, so it is going to be messy. I kept the shelves there because eventually we want to clear everything out, except for the beanbag and my big old stuffed animal, and make it more like maybe like a little reading room, a little cozy tiny library. I don't know, something cute and cozy. But you know, got my boxes that I need to take back to work, a giant beanbag which I love to lay on because it's so comfy, and as you can see, I left the floating shelves. But I like coming into this room just because it's still kind of small and cozy, and it's not as messy. Simba's over there exploring on a giant box of cables that I still need to go through and get rid of the cables that we don't use and actually save the ones that we do need or could use. But anyways, I like laying on that beanbag to read or play Animal Crossing, because I love playing Animal Crossing. I know I'm kind of late to the game, but it is what it is. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for being here. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little YouTube familia, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!